Elon Musk is widely regarded as one of the greatest innovators of our time, but what many don't know is that his success isn't based solely on his visionary ideas. What really sets Musk apart is his unique approach to solving complex problems and his incredible ability to learn new skills quickly. He doesn't follow traditional methods. Instead, he embraces a mindset of continuous learning and a willingness to take risks, which has propelled him to the top of the technology and space industries. Today, we're going to dive deep into Musk's story and understand how he turned ambitious concepts into concrete reality. We'll see how he revolutionized entire industries, from creating affordable electric cars with Tesla to space exploration with SpaceX. We'll explore the principles that guide his decisions, the strategies he uses to overcome challenges, and the lessons we can all learn from his journey. So, get ready for a fascinating journey into the world of Elon Musk, where innovation has no limits and the impossible becomes possible. Let's discover together how this genius's mind works and what we can apply in our own lives to achieve success. 1. Learning from failure, the Musk method. Elon Musk believes that the most effective way to learn and innovate is to fail fast. Contrary to popular belief, he sees mistakes as opportunities. For Musk, failure is a natural part of the development process, and it is precisely this mindset that allows him to achieve the seemingly impossible. A clear example of this philosophy is the beginning of SpaceX. In the early years, the company faced 3 consecutive launches that ended in failure. Anyone else might have given up, but Musk saw these failures as valuable lessons. He not only learned from his mistakes, but made adjustments that led to the success of the 4th launch, marking the beginning of a new era for space exploration. This approach of learning from mistakes is not limited to SpaceX. Whether at Tesla, Neuralink, or any other venture, Musk applies the same principle: fail fast and fix even faster. He understands that the sooner problems are identified, the faster they can be fixed, saving time and resources in the long run. Musk has created a culture in his companies where failure is not only tolerated, but encouraged as part of the innovation process. Teams feel free to experiment, take risks, and, above all, innovate. This culture of not being afraid to make mistakes is what allows the boldest ideas to get off the ground and become reality. Learning from failures, adjusting course, and moving forward is what sets great innovators apart. And for Elon Musk, it is this approach that continues to propel his companies into the future. 2. Learning from the experts, the power of mentors. Elon Musk may be self-taught, but he has never hesitated to seek out the knowledge of the best. For Musk, learning from experts is essential to achieving great things. He understands that there is no need to reinvent the wheel when you can learn from those who have already mastered a certain field. When Musk decided to enter the world of rocketry and founded SpaceX, he knew he would need to surround himself with the best engineers and scientists in order to learn quickly. 2 of Musk's main mentors in this field were Jim Cantrell and Tom Mueller, 2 experts in rocketry. With their guidance, Musk was able to accelerate his learning curve and understand the complex details of rocket construction. But Musk doesn't stop there. He devours biographies of great inventors, scientists, and leaders. These stories inspire him and help him apply lessons learned from other giants to his own companies. Reading biographies and continually learning from past and present masters is a constant in Musk's life. In addition, Musk recognizes the value of consulting experts before making critical decisions. He knows that no matter how smart he is, there is always something new to learn. It is this humility and openness to learning that allows him to innovate in areas as diverse as sustainable energy, artificial intelligence, and space colonization. By learning from experts, Musk is able to integrate the best of the available knowledge into his own ideas, effectively transforming theory into practice. He doesn't just absorb knowledge, but applies it in a way that creates something completely new and disruptive. For Musk, learning never ends. He's always looking for the next big idea, the next great mentor, the next great biography that will help him advance even further. And this constant pursuit of knowledge is one of the reasons he continues to be at the forefront of so many industries. 3. The extreme sense of urgency. Haste as a driver of innovation. One of Elon Musk's most striking characteristics is his extreme sense of urgency. For him, there is no tomorrow when it comes to turning an idea into reality. Everything needs to be done now, and this is reflected in every aspect of his companies. In 2017, at Tesla's battery factory, Musk realized that a single step in the production process was causing significant delays in the production of cars. Battery production was being delayed because the plastic caps on the cells were frequently running out. For most people, the solution would be to wait for the next delivery of caps. But Musk thought differently. He questioned the need for caps and decided to eliminate them altogether, believing that the risk of damage was minimal. And he was right. Without caps, the production process sped up significantly, allowing Tesla to produce more cars in less time. This sense of urgency, of not waiting for the perfect moment but of acting immediately, is what puts Musk and his companies ahead of the competition. Another time, at SpaceX, when his team was considering visiting a rocket test site in the next few days, Musk decided there was no time to waste. They flew out that very night and immediately closed the deal, securing SpaceX a testbed at an incredible price. Musk's urgency is not just about speed, but about maximizing results. He knows that by making quick decisions and acting immediately, he can overcome obstacles that might otherwise become major challenges. It's this mindset that allows him to move at a pace that few other companies can match. For Musk, immediate action is more than a strategy, it's a philosophy of life. He understands that every second counts, especially in industries where innovation is essential. And it's this attitude that allows him to not only dream big, but also to turn those dreams into reality with impressive speed. So if there's one lesson we can all learn from Musk, it's this: time is precious. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Start now, act now, and you'll always be ahead. 4. Simplify as much as possible. The power of simplicity. Elon Musk is known for his ability to simplify complex processes. For him, true innovation is not just about creating something new, but about reducing everything to the essential, cutting out what is unnecessary. This principle of simplicity is one of the keys to Musk's success in such diverse industries. A clear example of this philosophy occurred when SpaceX needed a specific valve for its rockets. Suppliers charged an exorbitant price, something around $1.5 million. Most companies would accept this reality and pay the asking price, but not Elon Musk. Musk questioned the complexity and cost of the component. He believed that, with a simpler design, SpaceX could produce its own valve for a fraction of the price. And that is exactly what they did. Using a model based on a simple garage door opener, SpaceX created a valve that worked perfectly, and all this for just a fraction of the initial cost. This simplification mentality is not limited to SpaceX. At Tesla, Musk applies the same principle. He constantly seeks ways to simplify manufacturing processes, eliminating unnecessary steps and reducing costs. This allows his companies to operate more efficiently and at scale. Simplification goes beyond just reducing costs. It allows Musk and his teams to focus on what really matters: innovation and quality. By removing unnecessary complexity, they can move faster and more accurately, bringing to market products that are both revolutionary and affordable. For Musk, simplicity is not just a strategic choice, but a philosophy of life. He believes that by simplifying what seems complicated, we can achieve more efficient and impactful solutions. And it is this ability to simplify that has allowed Musk to revolutionize entire industries, making the impossible possible. So when you are faced with a complex problem, remember Elon Musk: simplify. Cut out the inessential and focus on what really matters. That is the key to true innovation. 5. Question everything. The philosophy of curiosity. For Elon Musk, every challenge is an opportunity to learn and question. He doesn't accept things as they are, but is always seeking to understand why and how. This attitude of questioning everything is one of the pillars that supports his ability to constantly innovate. When SpaceX was developing its rockets, for example, Musk didn't just follow the traditional norms of the aerospace industry. He questioned every step of the process. Why do components cost so much? Why are certain materials chosen? Why are production techniques so complicated? In one such case, the SpaceX team needed aluminum domes for its rocket's fuel tanks. A supplier had initially offered a good price, but then tripled the price. Most companies would have accepted this increase, but Musk decided that SpaceX could manufacture its own domes in-house, questioning the dependence on external suppliers. This philosophy of questioning the status quo isn't limited to parts production. Musk applies this to all areas of his business. When Tesla was struggling with its battery manufacturing process, he asked why certain steps were necessary. By streamlining the process and eliminating redundant steps, production became faster and more efficient. This questioning approach is key to Musk's ability to find solutions where others see only obstacles. By not accepting things as they are and insisting on understanding every detail, he opens doors to innovations that often seem impossible. Questioning everything also means pushing your own limits. Musk doesn't limit himself to the knowledge he already has. He constantly seeks to learn more, consulting experts, reading books, and delving deeper into the topics that interest him. This thirst for knowledge and understanding is what allows him to not only lead, but to be at the forefront in fields as diverse as space transportation, electric vehicles, and renewable energy. So if there's one thing we can learn from Elon Musk, it's the power of questioning. By asking why and how, and by never taking things at face value, you can discover new paths, open new opportunities, and, who knows, change the world. Conclusion: turning ideas into reality. Lessons from Elon Musk. Elon Musk is a shining example of how to turn bold ideas into innovative realities. Throughout this video, we explore the core principles that guide his unique approach to problem-solving, learning new skills, and executing quickly. From learning from mistakes to urgency in action, Musk demonstrates that success doesn't just come from having great ideas, but from having the courage and determination to execute them. He has shown us that failure is not an obstacle, but an opportunity to learn and grow. By learning from the best and maintaining a sense of urgency, Musk turns challenges into opportunities and continues to innovate across entire industries. His ability to question the status quo and simplify complex processes is a valuable lesson for us all. So if there's one takeaway from this dive into the mind of Elon Musk, it's that true success comes from combining knowledge, action, and perseverance. Learning from mentors, acting quickly, and streamlining processes are key to turning dreams into reality. If you're looking for ways to achieve your own goals and make a difference, remember Musk's lessons. Seek continuous learning, take quick and effective action, and never be afraid to fail and learn from it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more inspiring content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, and share. Until next time, may your ideas become great achievements.